Hi everyone, in front of me I've got iPhone 17 Pro Max, and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list and finding the contact which you wish to customize. Let's tap on it. Then we have to tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. So let's tap, and here let's tap on edit. Alright, so after that we will be able to change either the avatar or the poster. So the avatar is the profile picture itself, and the poster is this this background under the photo. So you can decide what you wish to customize, so what you wish to change. I'll stick to the avatar. So here we can tap on customize, and we can change the colors of the avatar if you wish to keep it plain without adding the photo. It's up to you. Here you can choose a photo, so you can add the exact photo. After tapping on this option, you can either open the camera app and take a photo of someone who's right in front of you, or go to the photo library and choose something from previously taken photos. You can obviously also choose something from the emoji, for example, if you do not have the photo of the person whose contact you'd like to customize. As you can see, after picking the emoji, you can tap on customize, and here you can again change the colors. You can also change the emoji. Here you can tap on this icon and choose something from different options. As you can see, you've got the giraffe here, which is really pretty, the owl and monkey, kind of a robot, a cat, a dog. Actually, a lot of things which you can use and choose. You can also change the size of the emoji. You can zoom it in or out. Let's go back. And here you can change the color of the background. So here we've got a lot of customization. Obviously, we can also use the monogram. We can change the background. Tap on the monogram, we can enter it, so you can enter something like that or anything else, anything you wish. Sorry. So here you can type it. Here you can change the font. So let me actually type something. It could be GU. We can change the font. So as you can see, you can change from different styles here. You can also change the thickness of the font just by using this switcher here at the bottom. And obviously you can change the background color. Again, we've got the emojis, so you can just pick something. Here we've got a lot of options to choose from. Again, we can also change the background color. Here you've got the switcher, thanks to which you can change the intensity of the color. By going to the right, you can make it more, I would say, pastel, and by going to the left, more intense colors. All right. So basically, this is the whole set of options which you can use. Let me pick something maybe from the gallery, just something like that. Let me pick it. And now here we can frame it. So after tapping on this icon here, we can move it and scale. So by using two fingers, you can zoom it in or out, up to you. And you can change the position of the photo. If you will place something here under this highlighted circle, it means that it will be shown on the profile picture. So let me tap on the stick icon to apply, and here you've got also some kind of improvements of the photo. So you can change the lighting, you can change the colors, the contrast, etc. So basically here you can choose the filters which are the best for you. So after picking it, simply tap on choose in the right upper corner, and to finish everything, simply tap on the stick icon in the right upper corner. Choose a poster. Okay, I'll pick maybe this one simply. Okay, tap on this. Okay, I've chosen avatar. And what happened? Okay. And here we've got the avatar set. So as you can see, we will have to set it on the poster also. So let me choose the same photo again, something like that. Tap on done. And finally, we've got it applied. So we've got the poster here. Let me tap on the stick icon to confirm everything. We've got the poster, however here we've got our profile picture, so you can now see where lays the difference. And obviously the avatar will be seen here, so on the list. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.